How to change your name on Signal. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Changing your name on Signal is quick and only takes a few taps. The first thing you want to do is to open the Signal application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the upper left corner and tap on your profile avatar or your picture. In the pop-up, click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, tap on your name at the top, and then after you get to your profile, go ahead and tap on your current name. Now, you will be able to see this page. You can go ahead and write down your new name you want to change to and click on the check mark at the top right. Now, click on Save at the top right and you'll be able to save your new name. So that's how you change your name on Signal. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.